So hello guys, my name is Samir Mishra and you all are watching Atudwala Tech. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can use the combo mod APK predict section to predict the colors that are coming, and you can use this mod APK for most of the games like 5 Fast Win, V Club, Mantri Malls, and most of the games like Kui Ui and etc. and all. This app works very nicely in most of the section. Just you have to observe the trend, whether it's going in straight direction or whether it's going in opposite direction. Just you have to check this like I just will make it clear that how you can use this straight or opposite. Now just you have to check out whether the last three digits, what were the last three. Like I have just for example I have just mentioned 2, 5 and 4 and just clicked on predict section. Okay, so now here it's showing opposite, so the prediction is gone opposite. That what it means, that it has predicted red color, but due to this yellow tick, you can see this yellow tick, due to this opposite prediction it just gave us green color. That's where the catch comes, and most of the people think the app is showing wrong. The app is not showing wrong. You just have to know whether to switch on the opposite section or not switch on the opposite section, and when to switch on this opposite section or not. Now you can see when I just switch off this opposite section, it will show red color. Okay, so I have just switched off this. Now you can see this is showing red color. So just you have to observe for 2 to 3 or 4 draws maximum, that whether it's giving right in the straight section, whether the opposite is off, then it's giving right that now we are in straight section. Okay, when we will switch on this opposite section, then we will bet opposite. Okay, now I can tell that as soon as I switch on this opposite section, the color is showing green, and as soon as I switch off this, it says red color. So that's where the catch comes. Now you have to observe the trend for 2 to 3 dots, whether it's giving right prediction in straight section, means opposite off section, or opposite on section. So you have to check this out by yourself. Okay, the mod will not show the just it only contains all the data from 2 to 2.5 years, and daily the users changes, and the bets also changes depending on how much users are playing at this time, and that will play at the next second. So it just depends on whether who all are playing the draws, or who all are playing the game. Okay, so just check out whether it's going right in straight section or opposite section. This is your duty to check this out. Okay, and if you will check this out, then the mod will work very finely. And just make sure to add these last 3 numbers that are coming, and you have to just do it just do it. Now let me register it as a win. Just for example, we are not playing any game. I will show you the demo in next part. Now for this part I am just explaining how to use the mod APK, and I will just use it and just show the demo in next part. So don't skip the video and watch it till the end, and I will show you how you can buy, and I will tell you how you can buy this mod APK. Like you can DM me at Instagram, and if you will pay me, and I will send you the mod APK. Okay, this is how that will work. Okay, so now let me tell you how to just predict. Now I am registering it as a win, just for example. Okay, I can register it as loss also, but I am registering it as a win. Okay, so it was a win. Okay, now we have to do this next. Okay, now we have to do next. So the number changes, means the last number is saying it's 5 and 4. Okay, so now you can add the number that just came, means if it came 1, you can add 1 here. If it came 2, you can 2 here. If it came 5, you can add 5 here, and just predict, and just click on predict option. So it will again go with prediction. Now let me tell you once again by giving demo. I am adding just a random number like 2, and I am just doing predict section, and I am just clicking on predict. Okay, so it just said predict, and now again it is opposite on. Okay, means the draw just shed, or the draw just predicted green color, but due to this opposite on, it just made it red. Okay, as soon as we switch off this opposite, the color says it's green. Okay, so just you have to make sure whether it's working nicely on straight section or in opposite section. That is your duty to check out whether at that point of time when you are playing, the mod is working nice in straight section or in opposite section. Now you can check out the demo, and if anyone want this application or this mod APK, can DM me on Instagram. The link is given in the description, and you can DM me, and as soon as you pay me, I will send you this mod APK. Okay, and some of the subscribers just told me that they can't understand Hindi, so I'm publishing video in English, and I will also publish more videos in English, not so much, but I will publish most of the video, and I will try to publish most of the videos in Hindi and English, both language. Okay, so because most of the people can't understand Hindi also, so no problem for them, I will just publish videos in English also. Okay, so you can check out the whole demo video in the next part of this video, and all the links are mentioned in the description. You can check out, and you can also check out V Club link, that is also linked in description. Who is new to this video, they can check out and get the bonus of 121 rupees as soon as they join the app, and every links are mentioned in the description. Now you can watch the demo video, so don't leave it or don't skip the video, or else you will not understand any part and you will miss most of the details. Okay, so thank you so much. You can watch the demo video. So guys, here we are at the mod APK, and we have predicted of 2, 4 and 3, and it says green color, and I have switched off the opposite section. Okay, we are going straight, and we are betting in straight section. Within few minutes I will tell you what is this opposite or a straight section, so don't worry. And it was a win with full amount. Okay, the color was green and was with number 3, and don't forget to register whether it was a win or it was. So you can see I have just switched off the opposite section, and we are going with straight, and I have betted this time with 50 rupees, and I haven't made any cut in this video, so you can watch the video till the end. And whosoever has came to my channel can subscribe if they like the video and they want more videos like this. I will publish in both English and Hindi from now onwards, so don't worry. And it was a win with full amount. It was a win. Again the 3 number came, and we will register here as it as win. Okay, beforehand we were not able to bet because of the time issue, so okay, I just switch off the opposite section. It says red color. Okay, so now we are betting. We are betting with 20 rupees. I can't just bet with high amount because it was a late time. It was very high time, so that was the mistake. But we don't have any issues. Now we can see whether it was a win or it was a loss. Yes, we can check. Okay, this was a loss, no problem. We will again register it as a loss, and we will carry on with our prediction and betting. Okay, now we will register it as a loss. Now we have 2 wins and 1 losses. And don't forget to check out the number, the end number, and then do the next post the last 3 digits that are like 337. That was 337, and we have done predict. Okay, so don't forget to check the last 3 digits that have came in the draw, in the last draw rather. So we have got a win with full amount, so it was 1 with green color. Okay, now we will again register it as a win, and we will carry on. So I have done next and added 1 number that came at the last, and we have predicted. Now it is saying red color, and it was very late to bet, so no problem. Again I was just choosing emerge section just to make a video very crisp and very small. So it was a win. If we must have betted, then it would be a win, and we would have earned a lot of money, so no problem. Now again we will register it as a win, and we will carry on with our work. Okay, so now again we have to. So okay, I have placed bet with on red color with 30 rupees. Okay, so no problem. Let's see what the result would be. And if you like the video, then you can like it and just share to your friends, whomsoever wanted to watch these video, and whomsoever is interested in color trading games and apps like these. So you all can just check out videos. I have more videos, but they are in English. So, and from now onwards I will publish videos in English too, not very much, but yeah, little bit. So you can check out that I have betted 70 rupees in red color. So let's watch you can see the balance, and you can just check out the starting balance of my account and the end balance of my account. Okay, and I haven't put it any cut in this video, so just you can believe it. So now let's see, it was also again a loss. Now we will bet. We will just again add the number that is was 1. So I have switched off the opposite section. Make sure to see whether it is the mod is working, the prediction is going on in straight section or in opposite section. So don't forget to check out that whether it's working in straight or so. Now we have betted 130 rupees on red color. Now let's see what the draw result comes. Okay, So if you like the video, please like it and just subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like that, and press the bell icon so as soon as I upload the video you can get the notification. Okay, and if anyone want this mod APK, then they can DM me on my Instagram account that is linked in the below description section. And if anyone is interested in this app and don't know about this app, can join the app, and the app link is also given in the description section. So now let's see what the, so you can check out, we got a win and we have just won with full amount, I think so. Okay, you can check out the app just crashed, so it was not my fault. Okay, so if you like the video, you can like it and you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and all the links are mentioned below in the description section, so you can check out. And you can also purchase this mod. This mod is not free, you can purchase it and you can DM me for buying this mod. Okay, so if you like the video, like it. Okay, and if you have any doubt now also, you can just DM me on Instagram and consult from me, so you can check the balance. It is 449 now, and you can check the starting balance. Okay, so if you like the video, then like it and share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.